fun day fishing. Got about 10 fish. Got one keeper that we're gonna eat tonight. Looking forward to it. It's been a really fun day. That has something. Crazy.
Wow.
Just go to sleep for some reason. Every time you put them upside down, they'll just doze off. So that's a male. Tell by the tail. So.
But then you flip them over and then they're...
Yeah, they just go to sleep. For some reason, they just go unconscious and go to sleep.
Huh.
Cruisy looking dudes, aren't they?
Yeah.
They live under the sand. They're all buried under the sand, and all they got is this part hanging out. And then as soon as they smell something, they get out and all scurry along the sand like that with an ant and jump on each other.
Captain Haley.
Okay, Kevin is working on getting our space ready to prepare our fish. We're gonna have fish and crab that was caught this morning. So from the ocean to our stomachs in one day. Pretty incredible. So getting it all prepared.
This is our prize catch of the day.
Oh!
This is a grassy sweet lips. So, gonna fillet it up. We're gonna cook it whole.
With its head?
With its head.
Oh, I don't know. I don't
Okay.
want to look in its eye while we're eating it.
We're gonna remove its fins.
Okay.
It's already been cleaned, but it's a pretty cool looking fish.
It is a cool looking fish.
Get up near its face, you see some kind of like pearlescent blue near the eye.
Oh, yes, there's that blue.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. Part 2 of our meal is spanner crab. These fun little guys
What the heck?
kind of have funky, like right angle claws. We're told that they sit in the mud kind of like that, and they pop out and eat stuff. Kind of funky. So we start off by...
Oh,
That was actually really easy.
Yeah, that looks like a herd.
Well,
He's
yeah.
dead.
Yeah, he's already cooked. So yeah, pop the back of the shell off, pop the tail off, those are discarded, and then you just have some gills to clean up. On the inside it's not too much different than a Dungeness crab. Actually, if anything, it might be even easier to clean. It's kind of fun. I heard they have reflexes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Chop it in half and
Jeez.
ready to eat.
Okay.
So one down.
One down. Okay, Kevin, how are you doing? Sick. Sick.